interesting today. Out of this, these are some of the jewelry of my daughters, that is beads, all different kinds of beads which she is to wear. And this she has made a bracelet, and these are her old bangles and normal thread. Generally we use for making flowers, simple white thread. Okay, using this materials we will be doing something interesting today, that is the curtain strings. So now I'll show you one of it. So now take a thread. Okay, just measure the curtain rod. Now suppose now the curtain rod is here. Okay, and this particular height you have to measure. So you can take a screen also, the height of the screen. Okay, height of the, that is door curtain. Also you can take height of the door curtain or this thing height. So this particular length, suppose 25 centimeters. Okay, example. So if that is 25 centimeters, you have to take the thread. So since the thread is very thin, I am using it double. So this 25 and this 25 centimeters plus half of this. You can take extra 12 centimeters. So 25 centimeters plus half of this, like 12.5. So you can take approximately 12 to 13 centimeters. Okay, approximately. So 25 plus 13, 8, 38. Okay, total length you have to take 38 centimeters thread, and that too double, 38 centimeter double thread. Okay, since this thread is thin, it's a normal cotton thread, so actually you can use a thin nylon thread which can pass through this beads. So you have to check. Okay, you have to check this. See this holes. Okay, whatever beads you are using, you just see the size of the hole, so that the thread should be inserted through this. Okay, so now this is the thread I am using right now. So this, for example, okay, now I am measuring the thread. Total 38 centimeters, right? Suppose okay, this is 38 centimeters double I have taken. So you can also make for the window curtain also, like window, whatever you want. It can be a partition curtain, the center of the hall, or for a door curtain also, in different shapes. For example, this one, this can be all equal, the strings can be equal, and here we will be having a bangle. We will attach one bangle, and you can have here tassel. Okay, it can be, this is tassel. Okay, so you can make like this and you can hang it. Otherwise, any small bell, a small bell, or something like a ring. Okay, it can be a ring or it can be a small bell, so it is up to you. And one more type of design also you can make. For example, this is long, this is short, this is short, again this is short, again this side also same thing. Okay, like this 1 2 3 4 5 strings, 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is it. Now you can do this type of design also. So whatever design you would like to take, that is up to you. So now I am taking a simple design. Okay, now let's start. Okay, now this is double. I have taken 38 centimeters for example. Okay, so now I have taken an old bangle, so I am just, see the loop is there double now, so I am just taking the thread through this. Okay, through this, the knot is ready. Okay, now to this knot I am leaving, suppose now you want the beads to be earrings. Suppose now you want exactly 5 centimeter one bead. Okay, you can mark like this 5 centimeters, like this you can make. Okay, you can mark like this exactly 5 centimeter 5 centimeter. That is like, I'll show you. If the string is this like this, so you can mark it as 5 centimeters 5, so the beads will be coming here. So 1 bead, 2 bead, 3 bead, like that. Okay, or roughly you can approximately, you can also do it. Or this next string will come here, 1 bead here in middle. So it is like a pattern. Whatever you want you can do it, that is up to you. Now I have just marked roughly here. Now let us try. So now I am putting a small knot here. Okay, small knot here. Okay, wherever this mark is there, I can just put one knot here. Okay, knot, simple knot over. Now I'll be inserting one bead from the other end. Okay, okay, done. Now this distance is left out and here one bead is there. Okay, now here the bead I have placed it here, so now I am putting here one knot. Just I am moving the knot. Okay, I'm not taking exactly 5 centimeters, now I am doing approximately. Okay, now see, already one knot is there. Since the bead is moving through this knot, so I have put a double knot. Okay, now this bead is ready. Now I will insert one more. See carefully. Okay, okay, now I have taken, see, now I have taken one bead is here, right? So here I am taking, so you can take approximately also. Okay, now here I am putting one knot. Okay, since this bead hole is big, it's moving, right? So I wanted to put a knot here on this again, so it's simple. Okay, on this only I have kept, so that it will not move. See now. Okay, you can see, right? See the distance like this. Okay, it will not come out. Similarly you have to follow. Now you can use in between different beads also, or the same bead also you can use, or different beads. Now again here this hole is very small, so you can see here, since the threads are coming out, just you can use little bit glue so that it becomes stiff and it is easy to enter into the bead. Okay, now should dry actually. Okay. I wanted to use two beads and to make some sort of a design. Okay, you can do only one pattern, like all white beads, otherwise all color beads. It's up to you. But since I am making it from the recycling things, like whatever I'm not using right now, I'm just recycling it. So if you want to make it a proper way, like you can buy a big packet of beads and you can do like 12 strings and you can permanently use for the house. And see, this is the thing. So I just needed, and now since see now this bead is here, so in between this will be there, so I will be putting a knot here so that it will not move. Okay, okay, simple. On the same knot you are putting again. Okay, now see, this is the pattern. It looks, when you are hanging also it looks like this. Okay, wherever the knots are there, the beads will be there. Okay, that's it. So similarly again, now this again white beads you can put. Okay, we are taking the thread extra because of this knots, and if it is too long also you can cut it, but if it is short again you have to join, so better to take something extra. Okay, now you see, two white beads, then color beads, then again white. So now like this you have to do entire string, and down part you can make such things like tassel, even colorful threads. If you have, you can make like this. It's simple. Like what you do is you just take a thread and do like this. Okay, okay, take the scissor, cut this, and you just cut one end first, and okay, this is like this, and okay, then you can just rotate like this. just completely round it, and this end and this end you just tie it. Okay, like this. Okay, you can trim all together one size. You can use the color threads also. You can use the color threads. It looks nice, like red and all different colors. Okay. Otherwise, this artificial. I don't have many. One is there. See, see even this sort of bells or the real bells, small size. If you get outside also, you can buy this one or something like. The bangles smaller size also you can hang it. Okay, like this is big, but you will get small plastic rings where you can hang it. Okay, yeah. Finally it looks like this. Okay, now I'll show you some of the things which I have made. See the bangles top somewhat of like this also you can hang. Okay, like this is up to you, or like this. So it is like this. Okay, and this is also same thing. This I have used a big beads, but this is not the thread. This is the cloth line. So where we dry up our clothes, that wire. So with that wire I have done, and this one you can, whenever they become dusty and all, you can wash it. Actually, you can wash it. And this is I made like how we make with the friendship bands. So the wrist bands, what we generally do for the friendship days. So this is the same thing I have used, the wire I have used. This is little, while doing it, this pulling of the wire little bit, it's painful, but it looks very good. This comes little practice. Okay. And this is really simple, and the same thing, this nylon wire, if you use, you can wash it also, or this have a chances of breaking it, because since it is a thread. Okay, so now we have recycled all the beads and the bangles. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. You can try it at home with whatever beads you are having. Any chain, any bracelet broken, suppose if you have any fancy chains having butterflies or some birds or something, that also you can use as a beads, and you can just like all wristbands or anything waste which you are not using for a long time can be recycled like this. Thank you. In this type of design curtain string, I have taken 3 wires, 2 wires measuring 4 meters and 1 wire measuring 2 meters, and I have placed the 2-meter wire in the middle and the other 2 4-meter strings left hand side and right hand side. So I have just made a knot and I have tied to a bangle. Okay, and once that is done, I have given a 3 to 4 simple loop design without any bead. Then after doing 4 to 5 also you can do, because it is anyhow attached to the bangle. Then I started inserting the beads only through the middle wire. Okay, not the left and right, only the middle wire I have inserted the beads. So after inserting a bead, I am making a 2 design loops. Once that is done, again I am inserting. Once the loop is done, Then again insert the bead. Again, after inserting, again 2 more design loops. So this is how it continues, and I have used the big beads, and that is the wooden beads. You can use any type of beads, and you have to continue till the wire completes, and you also have to end the wire, leaving some space so that you can tie some of the bells or some hanging thing, whatever you feel like. And always remember that you have to measure, and you take the middle string, whatever measurement you are taking, you have to take the double of it. Okay, double of it to the left hand side and the right hand side.